Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these slutty brownies. Let's begin. To start, you'll want to make the cookie base, so grab yourself a large mixing bowl and into the bowl place your butter, your granulated white sugar and your light brown sugar and beat them all together until they are well combined. Around 4 to 5 minutes will be more than enough, but if your butter is a little bit cold it may need a bit longer, so just mix until they are well combined. Once they are well combined you can then go ahead and add in your egg and your vanilla and mix until fully incorporated. It doesn't take very long and you don't really want to over mix this mixture at this point. Just until it's all fully incorporated, the mixture should be lighter and fluffier. Then you can give the bowl a good scraping down. This is just to help incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Don't forget to add in your dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve first just to remove any lumps that may be in the mixture. As you can tell, I had a few. Add in your chocolate chips and then mix until it's fully incorporated, but being careful not to over mix the mixture, otherwise the cookie will have a unpleasant mouthfeel in the end result. Give the bowl one last scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits of the flour and chocolate chips that may not have been fully incorporated properly, so just incorporate them and then you're good to go. You can then go ahead and grab an 8-inch cake tin which has been lined with some parchment paper and place it in your cookie dough. It takes a couple of scoops, well it did for me anyway, but then you'll just want to start to spread it out until you have one level consistent layer, and it may be a bit difficult to spread out at first, but once you've got it going you're good to go. As you can tell, it spreads very easily. You can then go ahead and take some Oreos and place them on top of the cookie dough, ensuring that you get around 16 into the tin. This will ensure that every way that you can cut the brownie will have Oreo in. Feel free to put more or less, but 16 for me is the perfect amount. And there should be a little gap in between each one so the brownie batter can run down into it. Once you put your Oreos in, chill in the fridge until you need it later on. So to make the brownie layer that goes on top, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl and into it place your melted butter and your cocoa powder and just whisk the two together until they are fully combined. You'll know they're combined once the mixture is smooth and glossy and has thickened significantly. You can then go ahead and add in the sugar and just whisk this in until fully incorporated. You may notice that the mixture looks a bit granular, but don't worry, this is completely normal and it will alleviate as we work our way through the recipe. You can then go ahead and add in your eggs and your vanilla and just whisk until fully incorporated. You'll notice that the mixture goes from looking granular to looking quite smooth, and that's what you're looking for. So don't worry, it should still be quite thick but runny at the same time, if that makes any sense. Then you can go ahead and add in your flour and chocolate chips and just fold all of this in until fully incorporated, being careful not to over mix the mixture. You can then go ahead and grab your cookie dough base from the fridge and just pour over the brownie batter. Feel free to pour it all over or pour into the middle and then spread it out. Whichever way works best for you. You're going to have to spread it out so you get a level and consistent layer. And there is enough brownie batter, it may not look it, but there is, so don't worry about that. All the baking times, temperatures and everything else you need to know will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below. And here are what the brownies look like once they are fully baked and cooled, so probably the next day, as I like to leave mine in a day to go for that bit more dense. Then you can cut them up however you like. I went with 9 very generously sized portions, but feel free to cut them up into 8 more rectangular bars, or whichever way works best for you. As you can tell, the brownies have got a crinkled top. Then you've got the dense brownie, Oreos and a cookie dough base. It's actually a baked cookie, not cookie dough, but as you can tell, it's studded with chocolate, so if you like chocolate, this is really the recipe for you. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be links to this recipe, links to my blog and links to all my social medias. I am being a bit more active now as I've been taking a break due to starting a new job, but that's all in the past now. I'm getting used to the work-life balance, but that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.